Hi guys, so today I want to talk about a product that has been part of my skincare regime for over 10 years now. It is a main part of my cleansing routine to make sure that my skin is deep cleaned and nourished at the same time. I am talking about Bravura London Salicylic Acid. This is the 2% salicylic acid by Bravura London, and it is a product that I've absolutely loved using in my skincare journey. I first started using salicylic acid in the beginning when my skin was very clogged and blocked, and I used to feel a lot of congestion underneath my skin. So when I started introducing salicylic acid into my skincare, I noticed that my bumps had faded. It had helped get rid of my pores to stop them from being blocked. Salicylic acid is an exfoliant, and it is the main ingredient that you find in a lot of products, skincare products that you do use. It is designed to help with oily problem skin and has known to help lots of like breakouts, inflamed skin, hard spots, blackheads and whiteheads. It can help with overproduction of sebum, that is oily skin. It can help bumps under the skin and trapped oil to come through, therefore giving you like a clean canvas to work on, so when you do apply your makeup or any other skincare products, they will get seeped into the skin and your skin will begin to look flawless. So how to use the product. The salicylic acid does come with a pipette at the top, which is a dropper. Once you suck a few drops up into it, I would recommend that you use the brush by Bravura London, only because you want to reduce the risk of cross-contamination and cross-infection. So therefore I would use the pipette, pop a few drops onto your brush, therefore you are not actually touching the product with the brush, and apply it straight to your face. Now this product is, you can use it as a rinse off product, or you can leave it undernight on your skin under a moisturizer. I normally do like to leave it on overnight with the moisturizer on top, therefore increasing the effects of it, and it works much more better. The first time you do use the product, I would recommend that you only put it on for about 10 minutes or do a patch test first. Any product or any peels that you do use, it's so important that you do a patch test first. Pop it behind your ear, leave it for a few minutes, and you will therefore know if you have a reaction to the product or not. So it is definitely a product that I would recommend to anybody to incorporate into their skincare regime. It will definitely help unclog them pores and help your skin to breathe.